The topic we're going to go over is solving exponential and log equations. So I have two examples here. The first example, I have 3 natural log of 5x is equal to 9. So in order to solve exponential and log equations, we have to use the inverse. But before we can use the inverse, we have to make sure our function is by itself. So for example, on number 1, we have a 3 in front of our natural log of 5x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get the natural log of 5x is equal to 3. Now that I have that natural log by itself, I'm going to use the inverse of natural log, which is the exponential function e to the x, to cancel it out. So I'm going to go e natural log of 5x is equal to e cubed. Okay. The equation that we had now became exponents to e. What's going to happen now is that e and natural log are going to cancel, and we're going to have 5x is equal to e cubed. Remember, e is just a number on our calculator. So to solve for x, we're going to divide by 5. So we have x is equal to e cubed divided by 5. And if we type that into our calculator, that is going to give us, let's see, divided by 5. Approximately 4.017. Okay. So that's the answer for the first example. On the second example, notice how we have our variable t in the exponents. So we are going to have to first get that function where t is in the exponents by itself. So we need to get that parentheses by itself. So that means the only thing in the way is that 500. So I'm going to divide both sides by 500. 1,000 divided by 500 is 2. So I have 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.01 to the power of t. Okay. And then in order to get that exponent t out of the exponents and down to the front, is we're going to have to take the natural log, excuse me, not the natural log, we're going to take the log of both sides. So it would become log of 2 is equal to log of 1 plus 0.01 t. Okay. We can simplify the parentheses of that 1 plus 0.01 and simplify it to 1.01. So log of 2 is equal to log of 1.01 t. Okay. And now what we can do is we can move that t to the front of log. So we have log of 2 is equal to t log of 1.01. Okay. And then in order to solve for t, we're going to divide both sides by log 1.01. And we get t is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 1.01, which we can simplify into our calculator. So on our calculator, we have log of 2. So let's see, which is about 0.301. And then we have log of 1.01, which is about 0.0043. So 0.301 divided by 0.0043, we get 70.